If you want to add BlueSky bot on Discord, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go back to your screen, then go ahead to your browser, and we're going to search for something called Sky Core. We're going to go ahead to the official website, and we're going to download the app to our Discord. Okay, so I'm going to just click right here, Add App, and I'll be redirected to the website. I'm going to just fill in my information, right? I'm going to wait, and here, just add to my server. If you have a server, just select your server. Right, click continue, and then I'll give them authorization to view channels, send messages, embed links. You're gonna confirm and verify that you're a human being, right? I'm gonna verify, we're gonna wait for a few moments. And SkyCode is specialized Discord bot designed to integrate BlueSky updates into Discord servers, right? The key features, announcement integrations. You can go to now to your Discord. It allows the user to connect their BlueSky accounts to Discord channels, enabling automatic announcements, right? And you have another features too. If you went right here to your server, which server that includes the, you're gonna find it somewhere here, right? And custom commands, right? /connect allows you to, let me go to my Discord server from here, a Mars server. So I'm gonna go back, right? I can see it, 2 members, right? As you can see, I made it right here. And basically you can use /connect to link a BlueSky account to a Discord channel for post notifications. You can forward it, and disconnect that allows you to unlink a BlueSky account. You have the /get, right? Get last post, which allows you to fetch the latest BlueSky post of a connected account. You have also list, keeping the / display all subscribed BlueSky accounts in the channel, and the help for provide usage instructions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.